இன்னைக்கு என்ன பண்ணட்டும்?
பாட்டில் கார்ட்ல ஏதாவது பண்ணு, எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் பாட்டில் கார்ட்.
Okay. Let us prepare Sorakkayi Paal Kootu.
Subscribe for more videos.
சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? In a pressure cooker, add 500 ml of water. Once it comes to boil, add 1 glass of soaked moong dal. Add almost 300 grams of peeled and cut bottle gourd chops. Give this a quick mix and pressure cook this for 3 to 5 whistles. I have soaked the moong dal for around 30 minutes in warm water and the bottle gourd is tender, so mine got ready quickly in around 4 whistles. So based on the tenderness, continue to cook for more whistles if required. As you can see, the bottle gourd is well cooked and is mashable. The dal is also well cooked. We like it in this semi-mashable state. If you want it thicker, stop it with 3 whistles. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons rice flour and add half a tumbler of warm milk. Give this a good mix without lumps. And add it to the pressure cooker. Now give this a quick stir and add the remaining glass of milk. Allow it to boil in low flame. Add salt as needed. Check for the consistency and add more milk if required. Once you see the boil, your kootu is ready. So take it off the flame and now let's prepare the tadka. Add some coconut oil. Add 7 to 8 garlic pods. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon urad dal and give it a quick stir. Add 2 to 3 dried red chilli. Add some curry leaves. And once they splutter, turn off the flame and add the tadka to the pressure cooker. Now the tasty creamy Paal Kootu is ready. Please do give this a try and share your comments and feedback. Chamail ready.
Hit the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe for more videos.